Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to share with you. I have already created expense tracker app that's fully functional using Lovable and Superbase, and I'm going to show you the functionality of its working. I can first I can sign out, and I can create an account. I sign up. I can log in. Okay, and I can update my picture. I can update my name. And I can get light mode to dark mode, and here you can see the real-time data is going on, and the previous details, and I can type change expense on income and show the date today 2 January and amount 5,000. Description group service and income. You can see the amount is changed. And one more thing, okay, sign in. Okay, you can see data is updated. See the bar chart and pie chart view. You can see income, expense, and you see the day, filter by month, January, February, amount, for tuition fee. You can see it's updated. I'll provide this link in the YouTube description. Please check it out and try by yourself. Okay, you can see the charts overview change. Okay, and pie charts overview is also changed. Okay, now I am going to show you the chat history. From first part, I try to develop an expense tracker app with user authentication, allowing users to log in and access a personalized dashboard. The app should include two main sections, income and expense, each with customizable categories, implement and interactive chat view to visualize income and expense trends, providing insights into financial health over time. Then next I added user authentication should add, and user create their daily expense and income, and it will show show in their dashboard dynamically. Then please connect my Superbase project. And show you. Here I connect my Superbase. Okay, please connect my Superbase project, and my database name is expense tracker app. Then create necessary table and column for it, and add a user to create his income and expense, and it will be visible to the dashboard. And it create these necessary tables and data for it. I have reviewed the SQL and it looks good. Please run it. The migration is being applied. The migration has been applied successfully. All part implement step by step. And I fix some error. You can see. Yeah, I face many errors and I solve it when I'm doing this. User can able to create their daily expense and income, and it will update into the dashboard. You see, there's an error and solve it. And now I'm going to provide some step-by-step guideline. Add profile name and profile image. Give an option to upload profile photo and save to the dashboard. Add date and time while adding expense or income. When user click on this date, show the income or expense details result. When the user click on this date and show the income and expense details on this result on this date, user can change in their theme. Theme dark to light, show the current date and time on the above of the dashboard. All work done step by step, and I hope you get an idea how to build this expense tracker app. And I provide more options here. You can see when toggle from light mode to dark mode, it should work, and it's working. User can update in his name. Yeah. From financial overview, filter by date, week, month. Filter week, month. So bar chart, you can see bar chart as well as pie chart. All work should done step by step. I hope you got an idea how to build this kind of expense tracker app, and you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.